Hey guys, in this video I am going to do an unboxing of the Razer Lycosa backlit gaming keyboard. As you can see, my Microsoft keyboard is pretty basic and getting old now. So yeah, I wanted to treat myself with a bit of a better keyboard. Razer has a few newer, better keyboards that have been released since this keyboard. Though the truth is, I don't need a very high-tech gaming keyboard. Like, I don't need to be able to press 10 keys at once, whilst playing WoW or any of that. So let's look at the technical comparison. The Razer Lycosa versus the standard keyboard. So it's key top with non-slip rubber finish, backlight illumination with WASD cluster lighting option, fully programmable keys with macro capability, gaming cluster with anti-ghosting capability, slim keycap structure with hyper response technology, touch panel easy access media keys, and gaming mode option for deactivation of the Windows key. And as you can see, standard keyboards do not have most of these options. So it's a very neat keyboard. It costed me about $95, I believe, from Newmart in Australia. So let's unbox it. I might unbox it from this end, I believe. So I'm just going to cut. Is that tape? Yeah, I believe that's tape. So okay. Okay, I'm destroying the box though, it doesn't matter too much. From what I have been told, they package their products pretty nicely, a bit like Apple. Sorry, I just need to pull this out. Okay, so I have now pulled out, the box is empty, I've pulled out the keyboard, I'll just put the box to the side. So yeah, they apparently package their products pretty nicely. Welcome to the cult of Razer. So see, it's very nicely packaged. Now what do? I pull this up. And as you can see, they've got this protective plastic covering, which I'm just going to pull off straight away. And look at it, it's very nice. It's probably a bit hard to see well in this lighting. Though, yeah, it looks very nice. It's got a rubbery feeling to it. The keys aren't too loud. It's still a bit shiny around the edges, even though it's not the mirror finish. There are probably going to be, a lot of fingerprints on this in the near future. So yeah. Now let me show you where the USB ports are on the keyboard. I believe there are some, or there is one. So on the top of the keyboard here, you have a microphone and headphone jack, and you have the ability to plug a USB into that port. I will take a closer look at that a bit later. Though also underneath the keyboard we have a bit of a package here, which I'm going to pull out. I'll just take the plastic off. I quite like their packaging. They were a bit like Apple. They package things pretty nicely. How do I get this off? Oh, wait a second. We've got a message here. What does this say? See, yeah, for gamers by gamers and razerzone.com. So we just open this up, I believe. Nice packaging. So what do we have here? We have a product catalogue with all of their other products. I actually purchased the Razer DeafAdder mouse, which I'm going to review in an upcoming video. And what do we have here? We have a couple of Razer stickers. They're a bit like Apple, including stickers. And we have a master guide, which includes a disc. I might make another video on the actual software side of it, though you can make macros etc. for the keyboard by using their software. And you know, it's a black and white guide, though who cares really? Probably not going to read it. And what do we have here? We have a quick start guide. I won't bore you with that. And certificate of authenticity. I should have bought a Razer mouse pad whilst I was at UMart. So I'm just going to throw all of that to the side now, and let's take another quick look at the keyboard. From what I've heard, it has 2 USB connectors. Oh, sorry, give me a second. So at the back here, you can see we have it all nicely tied up. Just need to get this out. Just chuck this to the side. My room's a pigsty now. So as you can see here, we have 4 different connectors. We have a connector for the keyboard. We have a connector for the second USB built into the keyboard. So although you get a USB port on the actual keyboard, you need to plug in the connector and use one up on your actual machine. And you know, we have one, you know, for the volume, for the headphones and microphone. So if you want to use the headphone and microphone jack on your keyboard, you will have to plug these into the back of your motherboard or sound card on the back of your computer. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I will show you what it looks like lit up when I take a look at the software side of things, and I'll also show you you know, how to deactivate the Windows button. Though you can obviously search for other YouTube videos if you want to see it lit up too. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching.